Nemo is the hydronic terminal that heats, cools, and dehumidifies with the best thermal, electronic, and acoustic technology. Nemo looks great with its soft lines and sophisticated design. Nemo has enhanced modern renewable energy systems, including a heat pump. Its silent design is perfect for use in bedrooms. The patented tripod technology uses innovative profiles that ensure a silent and turbulence-free airflow with no visible grill. It can be controlled with the touch of a finger, thanks to the elegant transparent touchscreen. The upper flap of Nemo can be adjusted manually in order to direct the airflow as desired. The super silent speed is imperceptible, so much so that Nemo can also be used with the flap closed. At only 12 centimeters thick, Nemo is extremely compact. It cleverly modulates the thermal power via inverter for maximum comfort and in absolute silence. It is versatile and suitable for all seasons. Nemo can also be controlled by remote control, thermostat, or home automation systems such as Integra Wellness with its dedicated app. Nemo is available in 3 sizes: Nemo 250, Nemo 400, and Nemo 600 to meet any need. Accredited laboratories have certified the excellence of the acoustic performance. Nemo, the elegant, technological, and slim hydronic unit. Find out more details on our website,